Hey communication literacy team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. In today's class, we're going to focus on the communication literacy exam, the MTEL 01, and specifically the writing exam. I want you to use this video to help you on that exam. And if you like this stuff, give the video a big thumbs up at the end and maybe check out a class sometime, okay? All right, let's get into it. Let's do our first set of problems from the communication literacy writing exam. Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3. Read it 3 times. Tell me when you read it. Is there anything that you see right away? Within the first 20 seconds now. You read it 3 times, you're thinking about it. Okay, who saw father right away? Okay, so let's just say you see that it's father, and father should be what? Should be lowercase, right? Okay, so now you have to type it. So now you're typing it, and I don't know, maybe the typing takes another couple seconds to retype it, but let's just say now you have to retype it, and you would just have to change the letter F in father. There are 2 mistakes here, but was that mistake easy, medium, or hard? Easy? All right, team, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I want you to give it a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. Maybe you'll find it helpful. Everyone have a wonderful day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.